Mike?
Doing well, Rich. How are you, sir?
Well, I'm good because we're here at Gray Hair Garage again.
Filming another episode.
One of my favorite places.
Yep.
So,
because the beer runs freely.
Well, I do like
afterwards.
that.
Yes,
I do like that.
Yeah. When we get through doing the work, we play.
Right.
So we're going to work on this 82.
Cool. Why don't you tell us a little bit about this 82 and the history?
All right, so this 82 has been in my family since 1982. My father bought it off a Ford dealership down in Barnesville, Georgia.
That's awesome.
I remember the day it showed up. It was a very exciting day.
Yeah.
It was a cool car.
How old were you at that point?
Shoot, I was what,
15?
11 or 12?
Oh, okay, really?
Yeah, so I was young. So I remember when the car showed up, they drove it daily to work and back. And then when I turned 16, this was my birthday present.
Nice.
So
that's a
awesome.
Sweet 16 birthday present.
Dang right it was, baby. Yeah, but anyway, so it's been in the family a long time.
Cool.
I've been the caretaker since 1986. And
nice.
So we've tried to, it's gone through several variations over the years.
Uh-huh.
It's had a Cleveland motor, and it's had an automatic, and it's had a 4-speed and a 5-speed.
Did you say automatic?
Automatic. Yeah.
Really?
Well, at the time we.
What happened?
Well, I've torn up many of transmissions over the years, so automatics don't tear up as well.
Oh,
yeah,
dear.
So
we'll just ignore he said that.
Yeah. So anyway, so we're back to
a manual,
but it's a 347 stroker motor.
Okay.
But I've damaged both by abuse.
Sure. Abuse?
Yeah, I abused them.
Oh.
Tore up the transmission first.
Okay.
That made me even madder because I was already mad, and then I went ahead and tore up the engine while I was at it.
While you're there, you know.
Just keep it to the floor and just keep on hammering it. This is the way I look at it. So we're gonna go through the engine. We're gonna put a new transmission in.
Okay.
And
what you gonna put in?
We're gonna put Tremec TKO 600, just like the little Capri has.
Okay. Very nice.
Great transmission. I don't think you can ever tear it up unless you put a set of slicks on it. So.
Okay.
So we're also going to take the rear end out, go through it, and we're going to get rid of the urethane bushings in the rear. We've got some damage because it doesn't allow the rear end to articulate like it should. So
it's too tough on it.
It's just too stiff.
Sure.
It starts making metal move around instead of letting the suspension do its job. So we're going to fix all that.
Okay, cool. And so what are we going to do to the engine then to rectify that?
So let's just talk about the engine real quick.
Let's open it up there, Mike.
So this is essentially a stock appearing 82. Other than the valve covers, the rest is stock. The air box is stock.
Dual snorkel?
Yeah, still got the original radiator fan shroud.
And still got AC and that works?
Yeah, AC still works.
Nice.
So it's been a great car. I need to pull the engine. I don't know what's happened, why the rings didn't seal or seat, or the oil pressure's dropping off, and I don't know how that happened. But we're gonna pull the engine.
Okay.
It's doesn't have the original 170 horsepower engine anymore. It's got.
Oh, that's a shame.
It is a shame. It's a stock block, stroker. Crank and all. I think it's all scat stuff. And then the heads are trick flow 185s, and then we got an air gap Edelbrock and a 750. So
I guess you're gonna pay now.
Yeah, I'm paying for my play. So we're gonna go through the engine.
Yeah.
We're gonna see if we can make this little 82 run like it should.
Cool. Well, I look forward to that.
Yeah, me too.
So we got a few episodes coming on this. They'll be spread out over time, obviously, because it takes time to do this. But we hope you enjoy the episodes, and we'll see how it goes.
Yep. See you soon.
All right. Cheers, brother.
Cheers, bro.